Many people ask me this question, how to clean your tongue and with what to clean your tongue. I am Dr. Muthukumar and I am going to explain first why to clean your tongue. So why should we clean our tongue? Our tongue contains a lot of rough surfaces on the top of the tongue. So this rough surfaces is a holding medium for food debris and microorganisms. So when this food debris and microorganisms build up on the surface of the tongue, the person who has that will have bad smell, and also they have a tendency to develop certain diseases like candidiasis, leukoplakia, hairy tongue, etc. So with what instruments can we clean this tongue? So we can use a tongue scraper, we can use a toothbrush, we can use the back side of the toothbrush. In now commercial toothbrushes have a rough surface on the back side, we can use that, or we can use a electric toothbrush. So whichever method you use, doing something is better than doing nothing. So whichever you feel comfortable, you can use to clean your tongue. Scientifically, using a brush is more useful than using a tongue scraper, but I don't think that should be a reason for you to avoid tongue scrapers. If you are feeling comfortable with tongue scrapers rather than a brush, you can use your tongue scraper, because when you use your brush, sometimes if you push it too inside, some people may feel a sensation of vomiting or gagging. So if tongue scraper is more ideal for you, and if you are comfortable with using tongue scrapers, you can go ahead with using tongue scrapers. So the technique of cleaning your tongue is, you have to protrude your tongue out. You have to there should be a good protrusion of your tongue outside, and then you have to make sure that the brush or the tongue scraper is not pushed too back inside. So that is the region which causes a lot of gagging and vomiting. So the front 2/3 of the tongue, you can clean it with the tongue scraper or a toothbrush. Once you remove the debris, you can wash it off in a flow of water, and then you can reuse it. So this is the most ideal way to clean your tongue, and mouthwashes can also be used to add as an additional purpose to cleaning the tongue. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you like this video, do press the like button, share the video and subscribe for the channel. Thank you.